Today I'm doing the DIY install on the Jeep Wrangler rear seats with the armrest. This is one of the hardest rear seats to get right. Okay, I always like to start with the bottom. So I'm gonna start with the small one first and work my way to the big one. All right, now we got it in place where we want it. We're gonna reach under and grab the straps. Okay, now that we got the straps, we're gonna take this hook on this side, and we got another hook on this side. Okay, so we're gonna take both of these hooks and kind of tie them underneath somewhere. I got this side locked in. So you see I took the hooks, it was a little loose, so you could just hook these two hooks together like I did the first time. But I just took it, pulled it real tight and tightened it in a knot. All right, first we're gonna undo this zipper. This is how we're gonna go around this seat belt. Oh yeah, we do gotta take this headrest off. When you look there, you see it's just two buttons in here. Okay, this headrest is not removable, and we made this with Velcro straps right here. Okay, so I'm pulling it from the back, and I'm pushing the slack forward while I'm pulling it up. For this, you gotta pry it up. We use finesse because you don't want to break the clips in there. It's going to come from the bottom first. We're going to snap this back into place and then we're done. Here's the headrest, just slide on. Alright, let's check out the finished product. Everything looking real good and tight. Armrest still functional. Just pull it right here. Come down. Everything still stay locked into place. If you want to see more installs like this, click the video on the left. We've also got step-by-step installs, full interior upgrades, and DIY upholstery videos on the channel. If you're into transforming your interior yourself, hit subscribe on the right so you don't miss the next one.